What's up everyone, it's James Farley and welcome back to Blueprint to Boss YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of passive income with a proven blueprint to becoming your own boss. That's right, we're talking about starting your very own Turo rental car business. Now, I know what you're thinking. James, starting a business sounds expensive and complicated, but trust me on this one. With Turo, you can turn your car into a money-making machine without the headache of traditional entrepreneurship. We'll walk through each step, from setting up your business to attracting your first renters and maximizing your profits. This isn't just about making a quick buck, it's about building a sustainable source of passive income that can help you achieve financial freedom. Whether you're looking to replace your 9-to-5, pay off debt, or just earn some extra cash flow, Turo can be your ticket to financial independence. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started on your journey to becoming a Turo boss. First things first, before you even think about listing your car on Turo, we need to lay a solid legal foundation for your business. That means forming an LLC, a limited liability company. Now, I know legal jargon can sound intimidating, but it's actually a pretty straightforward process, and it's crucial for protecting your personal assets. Think of your LLC as a shield between your personal finances and your business dealings. If something were to happen with your rental car, like an accident or a lawsuit, your personal assets like your house or savings are protected. Without an LLC, you're putting everything you've worked hard for at risk. Setting up an LLC is surprisingly affordable, usually costing between $50 and $500 depending on your state. You can think of it as a small investment in your peace of mind and the long-term success of your business. Remember, we're building a legitimate business here, not just a side hustle. Taking the time to establish a strong legal foundation will save you potential headaches and financial strain down the road. Alright, now that your LLC is officially official, it's time to get your business its own social security number, also known as an employer identification number or EIN. This 9-digit number is how the IRS identifies your business and is essential for a few key reasons. Firstly, you'll need an EIN to open a separate business bank account. This is crucial for keeping your personal and business finances separate, making tax season a breeze and giving your business a professional edge. Secondly, your EIN is what you'll use to file your business taxes. It allows you to legally operate your Turo rental business and report your income and expenses to the IRS. Getting an EIN is completely free and surprisingly easy. You can apply online through the IRS website and the entire process takes about 10 minutes. Plus, you'll receive your EIN immediately upon approval. Alright, so you've got your LLC set up, you've got your EIN, you're officially in business. Now comes the fun part, or at least the financially strategic part. We gotta get you some wheels, and that means talking funding. There's no one-size-fits-all solution here. Some of you might have cash sitting pretty, ready to be turned into a sweet new asset. Others, you might need to explore different avenues. But don't worry, we're going to break down the most common funding options so you can build your Turo empire. First up, let's talk about the good old-fashioned piggy bank. Using your personal savings is definitely the most straightforward way to get started. No applications, no interest rates, just you, your money, and a whole lot of entrepreneurial spirit. But let's be real, not everyone has a giant pile of cash laying around. That's where our next option comes in. Business loans. Now, I know what you're thinking. Loans, interest rates, getting in debt. But hear me out. A business loan can be a really smart move if you're strategic about it. Think of it as an investment in your future earning potential. Section 2. Exploring loans and credit. Alright, you've secured the bag, funding is locked in. This is a huge milestone and you should definitely take a moment to celebrate. But remember, this is just the beginning. The real journey starts now, and it's going to be an exciting ride. Now the real fun begins, buying cars. This is where your vision starts to take shape. Walking through those rows of shiny vehicles, it's easy to get carried away. The smell of new leather, the gleam of polished metal, it's intoxicating. I know you're probably itching to go all in on that Tesla Model S or that sleek Audi A5. These cars are the epitome of luxury and performance, and they definitely make a statement. But hold on a second, trust me, I get it. The allure of high-end cars is strong. They're beautiful, they're powerful, and they're sure to turn heads. But there's more to building a successful Turo business than just having flashy cars. But before you start browsing luxury dealerships, let's pump the brakes for a second. It's important to think strategically about your investments. High-end cars come with high-end costs, and they might not be the best choice for a beginner. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your Turo empire won't be either. Building a successful business takes time, patience, and careful planning. You need to lay a solid foundation before you can start adding the fancy stuff. The smartest way to start is by dipping your toes in the water with one or two cars. This approach allows you to learn the ropes without taking on too much risk. You can experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them without jeopardizing your entire investment. This lets you get a feel for the market, understand demand, and iron out any kinks in your operation. You'll gain valuable insights into what renters are looking for, what kind of cars are in demand, and how to manage your fleet effectively. Now, when you're first starting out, reliability and fuel efficiency are your best friends. These qualities will save you money and headaches in the long run. Reliable cars mean fewer breakdowns and repairs, and fuel-efficient cars mean lower operating costs. Think about it. You want cars that are easy to maintain, affordable to run, and appeal to a wide range of renters. This way, you can maximize your rental income while keeping your expenses in check. It's all about finding that sweet spot between cost and demand. That's why cars like the Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic are absolute Turo gold. These models are known for their reliability, affordability, and broad appeal. They're the workhorses of the rental world, and they can help you build a solid foundation for your business. These bad boys are known for their dependability. They sip gas like it's going out of style, and they're super popular with renters. Plus, they're easy to maintain and repair, which means less downtime and more time on the road making money. Plus, parts are readily available and repairs are generally affordable, which means less downtime and more money in your pocket. Starting with reliable, fuel-efficient cars allows you to build a steady stream of income, which you can then reinvest into expanding your fleet. Over time, as you gain experience and confidence, you can start adding more diverse and luxurious vehicles to your lineup. But for now, focus on building a strong, sustainable foundation. Remember, starting small doesn't mean thinking small. With the right strategy and a bit of patience, you can turn your Turo business into a thriving empire. Alright, so you've got your LLC, your EIN, funding secured, and your fleet of fuel-efficient, Turo-ready vehicles. You've done a lot of hard work to get to this point, and it's exciting to see your vision coming to life. But before you can start renting out your cars and generating income, there's one crucial aspect we need to address: insurance. You're almost there. But before you hit the gas and start renting, we need to talk about protecting your investment. Insurance might not be the most thrilling topic, but it's absolutely essential for the longevity and success of your business. Without proper coverage, you could be exposing yourself to significant financial risks. Remember, this is a business, and smart business owners understand the importance of minimizing risk. It's not just about having insurance. It's about having the right kind of insurance that fits your specific needs. This means understanding the different types of coverage available and how they apply to your rental business. That's where insurance comes in. It's your safety net, your financial shield against unforeseen events that could otherwise derail your business. Whether it's an accident, theft, or damage, having the right insurance policy can make all the difference. Turo does offer some protection plans for car owners, which we'll dive into in a bit, but it's crucial to remember that these plans might not cover everything. Turo's protection plans are designed to provide a certain level of coverage, but they have their limitations and exclusions. You need to think about gaps in coverage, like what happens if a renter damages your car beyond the coverage limits, or if there's an incident that Turo doesn't cover at all. These gaps can leave you vulnerable to significant out-of-pocket expenses. You don't want to end up in a situation where you're personally on the hook for thousands of dollars in repairs or liability claims. Imagine the stress and financial burden of having to cover these costs on your own. It's a scenario that no business owner wants to face. This is why I always recommend having your own commercial auto insurance policy in addition to what Turo provides. A commercial auto policy is specifically designed for vehicles used for business purposes, and it offers more comprehensive coverage than a personal auto policy. A commercial policy is specifically designed for vehicles used for business purposes, and it offers more comprehensive coverage than a personal auto policy. This type of policy can cover a wide range of scenarios, including those that Turo's protection plans might not address. Think of it as an extra layer of protection, giving you peace of mind knowing that you're covered in a wider range of scenarios. It's about being proactive and ensuring that your business is safeguarded against potential risks. Now I know what you're thinking. Insurance is another expense, and we're all about maximizing profits here. It's true that insurance premiums can add to your operating costs, but consider it an investment in the stability and security of your business. But trust me, the cost of insurance is minuscule compared to the potential financial hit you could take if something goes wrong and you're not adequately covered. The peace of mind that comes with knowing you're protected is invaluable. It's better to be safe than sorry, right? By investing in comprehensive insurance coverage, you're taking a responsible and strategic approach to managing your business. It's about being prepared for the unexpected and ensuring that you can continue to operate smoothly no matter what challenges come your way. Alright, now that we've got insurance covered, let's move on to the exciting part, getting your car listed on Turo and ready for renters. This is where all your hard work pays off, and you can start seeing the returns on your investment. Let's dive into the steps to make your car stand out and attract renters. Okay, so you've got your car listed on Turo, it's fully insured, and you've set a competitive price. But that's just the beginning. Listing your car is the first step in a journey that requires ongoing effort and strategy. You need to think beyond just having your car available on the platform. It's about making your listing stand out in a sea of options and ensuring that potential renters see the value in choosing your car over others. Now it's time to get the word out and start attracting those renters. This is where your marketing skills come into play. You need to be proactive in promoting your listing. Think of creative ways to reach your audience. Whether it's through social media, word of mouth, or even local advertising, the goal is to make sure people know about your car and are excited to rent it. Remember, simply listing your car isn't enough. You can't just set it and forget it. The online marketplace is crowded, and if you don't actively promote your listing, it can easily get lost among the competition. It's important to stay engaged and keep your listing fresh and appealing. You need to actively market your Turo business if you want to succeed in this competitive landscape. This means developing a marketing plan that outlines your goals, target audience, and strategies for reaching them. Consider what makes your car unique and how you can highlight those features in your marketing efforts. Think of it like this: your car is your product and Turo is just the platform. It's up to you to showcase your product in the best possible light. Just like a showroom displays cars to attract buyers, your Turo listing should be designed to attract renters. High-quality photos, detailed descriptions, and positive reviews can all help make your listing more appealing. You're responsible for driving traffic to your listing and convincing potential renters that your car is the best choice for their needs. Use analytics tools to track the performance of your listing and adjust your strategies as needed. Pay attention to what works and what doesn't, and be willing to experiment with different approaches. That's where marketing comes in. Effective marketing can make all the difference in the success of your Turo business. It's not just about getting your listing in front of people, but about convincing them that your car is the best option for their needs. This requires a combination of creativity, strategy, and persistence. Just like any successful business, you need to build a brand, reach your target audience, and promote your unique selling points. Your brand is what sets you apart from the competition. It's the promise you make to your customers and the experience they can expect when they rent your car. Take the time to develop a strong brand identity and communicate it consistently across all your marketing channels. One of the most effective ways to market your Turo business is through social media. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook allow you to reach a large audience and engage with potential renters in a more personal and interactive way. Use these platforms to showcase your cars, share customer testimonials, and provide updates about your listings. Create dedicated Instagram and Facebook pages for your Turo listings. This will give you a professional online presence and make it easier for potential renters to find and connect with you. Be sure to keep your pages updated with fresh content and engage with your followers regularly. Showcase your cars with high-quality photos and videos highlighting their features and benefits. Visual content is key to attracting attention and making a strong impression. Invest in good photography and videography to ensure your cars look their best. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience interested in car rentals. Hashtags can help your posts get discovered by people who are searching for specific types of cars or rental services. Do some research to find the most effective hashtags for your niche and use them strategically in your posts. Engage with your followers, respond to comments and messages promptly, and run contests or giveaways to incentivize bookings. Interaction is key to building a loyal following and encouraging repeat business. Show your followers that you value their engagement and are committed to providing excellent customer service. Remember, social media is all about building relationships and establishing trust. The more you engage with your audience and provide value, the more likely they are to choose your car when they need a rental. Be authentic, be responsive, and always put your customers first. Show potential renters that you're a reliable and trustworthy car owner who's committed to providing excellent customer service. Your reputation is everything in the car rental business, and by consistently delivering a great experience, you'll build a strong, positive reputation that will attract more renters over time. And that's it. Your complete guide to starting a successful Turo rental car business. We've covered everything from forming your LLC and securing funding, to listing your car, setting competitive prices, and marketing your business like a pro. Remember, the key to success on Turo is to treat it like a real business. That means being organized, providing excellent customer service, and constantly looking for ways to improve your offerings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.